front of our family and friends, I, Michael, take you, Tara, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish till death do us apart. I promise to love you and care for you as I know you will for me. I promise to be your loving partner and best friend. I promise to always take you to Kmart and make sure there's Pepsi Max in supply. I promise to be here for you when you need someone to talk to. I promise to share with you my hopes, thoughts, dreams as we grow and build our lives together. I promise to be the best husband I can be. I promise to listen to you and take your advice in things as I would be lost if I didn't have you in my life. I promise that I will be your husband, your constant friend, your faithful partner, and your love from this day forward.
In front of our family and friends, I, Taylor, take you, Michael, to be my lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold. From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death do us part. I believe in you, who you have grown to be now, who you will become, and the couple we will blossom into. I promise to always support you and provide guidance to you when you need it, as I know you will for me. I promise to always listen to you and provide reassurance, even when you've asked me the same thing 3 times. I promise to be your teammate. I promise to ensure your happiness. I promise to make our lives together joyous and filled with love. You're my person. You always have been, as I have always been yours. You are my love, my life today and always. I promise that I'll be your wife, your constant friend, your faithful partner, and your love from this day forward.
We're lying there on the bed above the sheets. No one's saying a word, but I can feel your heartbeat. I stare into your eyes and you into mine, lying perfectly still, like we are frozen in time. I don't want this to be over, don't want the morning to come. My head upon your shoulder, wishing that you would say, I think you should stay, I think you should stay. I want you to say that it's getting late. I want you to stay, I want you to stay.
So Michael and Taylor, it is in the spirit of love and friendship that you have spoken and have declared your love and commitment to each other. And so it is with much pleasure that I now, with the powers vested in me by the laws of this country, can pronounce you husband and wife. We'd like to share a kiss with each other.
My head upon your shoulder, wishing that you would say, I think you should stay, I think you should stay. I want you to say that it's getting late. I want you to stay, I want you to stay. Hey, from the moment of my opened eye, been looking for a guided light to lead me on my way. Yeah, lost, struggling to make the top. A slipping grip can't hold me up. It's the game of life we play. When everything comes crashing down, be at your door when I hear the sound. You say the word. from this moment, rolling up a speeding train, can't hold it up. You and I, we lost our way. You cheated, lied, and ran away, and I got stuck with a knife in me, and this pain won't go away, but still, when everything